In terms of display, the tablet is equipped with an 11-inch LCD screen that boasts a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 400 nits, significantly enriching the media consumption experience. Nonetheless, the tablet presents certain drawbacks, such as the absence of a charging adapter and occasional playback jitters. Despite these issues, the specifications still offer commendable value relative to the price. While the display performs adequately for video viewing, it encounters limitations in brightness and color vibrancy, particularly under direct sunlight. This shortcoming can detract from the overall viewing experience in outdoor settings. Moreover, the tablet experiences compatibility issues with third-party styluses, which can hinder functionality for users seeking creative or precise input methods. This limitation may prove disappointing to some prospective buyers. On the audio front, the device offers a satisfactory quality through its 4 side-mounted speakers, delivering clear sound that suits casual activities such as gaming and video watching. However, it notably lacks deep bass and rich audio detail. The tablet operates on the Android 14 platform, though specifics regarding software updates remain ambiguous, indicating potential limitations concerning future support. Security patches may be issued sporadically. When tested with a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, the tablet exhibits basic productivity capabilities, although the experience may be compromised by its inherent hardware limitations. While multitasking is feasible, the limited RAM affects overall performance, often resulting in apps needing to reload upon switching tasks. Users may expect delays and occasional jitters during their interactions with the device. In an evaluation of video export capabilities, the tablet managed to complete a high bitrate export in 1 minute and 38 seconds, a commendable duration that reflects its competence in handling video editing tasks. During gameplay of Call of Duty Mobile, the tablet operated under high graphic settings, yet occasional lag was noted during intense gaming scenarios. This observation underscores the inherent trade-off between visual quality and performance. The tablet commenced with a battery percentage of 44%, and after 12 minutes of gaming, it experienced a 4% reduction, indicating moderate power consumption during gameplay. Battery performance remains impressive, as users report the capacity to engage in heavy usage for up to 2 days before experiencing significant depletion. Even after extensive use, the tablet demonstrates commendable standby time. The device supports high-performance mode, along with power-saving options intended to extend battery life. Users are presented with various settings designed to effectively manage power consumption. Camera specifications are relatively basic, featuring 5-megapixel front and rear cameras with limited recording capabilities. Users can make use of basic photographic options and AI enhancements to improve image quality. In terms of video quality, the HonorPad X8a records at 1080p with 30 frames per second. However, autofocus struggles in particular scenarios, which is an important consideration along with the audio quality captured by the microphone. For casual usage, the tablet's performance is adequate, making it a viable option for users who do not necessitate advanced features. It serves as a suitable choice for light tasks without requiring substantial financial investment. For those in search of heightened performance, it may be prudent to consider higher-end alternatives, such as the X8a Magic Pad 2, which provides premium features at an elevated price point. Exploring these alternatives can yield superior performance.